Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya, and today I would like to share with you an affordable watercolor. They are from ARTEZA. They are 60 tubes for $40. You cannot really beat the price. When I read the review over Amazon, they were happy with that, except that they tend to break, which for me was not that problem because again, it's for practice. I'm not selling my artwork or anything. I'm just practicing, coloring and drawing using watercolors. So here I'm gonna do like a swatch for all the colors, and I will catch you back to see how they tend to break or not. Look, now you can see all the beautiful colors. I love the varieties of green and blue, maybe missing some reds. Yeah, but again, you can mix colors together. Okay, because they are 60, so I don't have a palette with 60 holes, so I'm going to try to squeeze them near to each other, which for me, again, it's not a problem. As you see here, looks like candy. It's really, it's tempting, when you look to the palette, you feel that you want to paint. Okay, trying to, squeeze all the colors. Again, as you know, with all brands, sometimes the color on the package is different than the real color when you swatch it. So here is first day, after 24 hours. It's not completely dry. I know I close my palette and I put it away. But as you see here, I didn't even speed up the video. There's no a small sign, of it's like scratch. There is no completely break or separated or anything. And some people, they said they add Arabic gum, to bind everything. But again, as I said, for me, it's not a problem. It's just for practicing. You don't want to practice using, high quality paint. I mean, this is high quality ARTEZA. This is really, really good. I really like it. So I'm not saying they're bad or something. And let's just put it on a table. This video is not sponsored or anything. They didn't know anything about me. I just bought it for my money and that's it. So, but this is the truth. Anyway, so this is the second day. As you see here, things start to change. As you see here, they start, not to separate. My only concern is when I closed the palette, I was afraid that all the color were going to mix up, but it didn't. But as you see here, there's some cracks in the color because they start now to dry out. Especially with the yellows and orange. Here I close it because I want to make sure nothing is falling off. And no. Okay, after that, this is day number 5. What happened is I asked my daughter to bring my palette and my notebook and my brushes so I can, color in the living room, and she tripped off and fell down and everything fell down. As you see here, they turned into small pieces because my daughter fell down. So it is not the palette mistake. I don't know, but when after my daughter fell off and I opened it and I found it like this, the only one concern is my daughter, that she got hurt, but she's fine, so I don't care about the colors. Anyway, so here I want to try and practice, drawing petals. I'm gonna leave you again with a drawing. It's not a drawing. Again, I'm not a watercolor professional or even professional drawer or whatever. I'm just, I love watercolor and I just like to practice. Anyway, so my concern here is the paper. I used mixed media paper, and it is not suitable really for watercolor. Didn't like how the water didn't move or anything with the paper. I didn't like that paper. I will show you in the end, the package of the paper. Anyway, any mixed media paper, don't use it for watercolor, even though it's written it's good for watercolor. After that, I'm gonna switch to Canson, and again, you will find a huge difference between two papers. Again, if you use like ARTEZA 100% cotton, any kind of paper that 100% cotton, it will be different. Again, paper matters. Okay, so that's for today. I hope you like this quick video. Give this paint a try, especially if you're a beginner and you want to practice, drawing or coloring. Give this paint a try. Again, it's like $62 for $40. You cannot beat the price. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And before you leave the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.